Welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the out-of-video memory error in Valorant using a few simple methods that work for most Windows PCs. First, increase your virtual memory, also called the paging file. Press the Windows key and type Advanced System Settings, then open it. Under the Advanced tab, click Settings in the Performance section. After that, open the Advanced tab again and click Change under Virtual Memory. Now uncheck the option called Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select your Windows drive, which is usually the C drive. Choose Custom Size and enter a higher value for the initial size and maximum size based on your recommended memory. Click Set, then press OK and restart your computer. Next, lower your game settings. Open Valorant and reduce the in-game resolution to 1920 by 1080 or lower. You should also lower graphics settings like texture quality, detail quality, and anti-aliasing. This helps reduce GPU memory usage. Thanks for watching.